JNTU Kakinada R23 regulation, first BTech second semester regular examination, basic electrical electronics engineering, basic electrical and electronics engineering, set number 3, common to first BTech to all branches. Part A 1 marks questions 10 ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. 1 into 10 10 marks అన్నమాట. State the Ohm's law, explain the effect of temperature on resistance, define power factor, what is solar power, what is the Wheatstone bridge, explain the principle of operation of PN junction diode, what is half wave bridge rectifier, what is AND gate, what is full wave bridge rectifier, write the output characteristics of NPN transistor. Part B మనకి 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేటువంటి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. బేసిక్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ నుంచి 3 క్వశ్చన్స్, బేసిక్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ నుంచి 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ రావడం జరిగింది. టోటల్గా 10 into 3 30 మార్క్స్, 10 into 3 30 మార్క్స్, 30 + 30 60 మార్క్స్ అనమాట. ఇవి 60, పార్ట్ ఏలో 10 మార్క్స్, టోటల్ 70 మార్క్స్ పేపరు. సెకండ్లో ఏ, what is the equivalent resistance when referred from the side RT1 to RT1 and RT2 in the following given circuits? B 2, 6 mu f capacitors are connected in series, which one having a capacitance of 12 mu f. Find the total equivalent circuit capacitance. What capacitance must be added in series to obtain in a capacitance of 1.2 mu f. Third low a question, in the following given circuit capacitors P, Q, R are identical and the total equivalence capacitance of the circuit is 3 mu f. Determine the values P, Q, R. Distinguish between an identical voltage source and a practical voltage source. Fourth lo a, explain the working of 3-point starter with a neat diagram. B, a 20 volts stun motor running at 700 rpm. RPM means running per minute, as a alternate resistance 0.45 ohms and takes an armature current of 22 amps. What resistance should be placed in series with the armature reduced the speed to 450 rpm? Fifth lay, explain about non-conventional energy sources. B, discuss the principle of operation of DC machines as a generator and motor. Sixth lay, write the about layout and operation of various nuclear power generation systems. Describe the about working principle of fuse main circuit breaker, MCB అంటారు షార్ట్కట్ లో. Seventh lay, write notes on power rating of household applications, air conditioners and laptops. Explain about breaker, MCB merits and demerits breaker. 8 lo a, describe the working OP AMP as an integrated with neat connection. Explain the advantages and drawbacks of negative feedback amplifiers. Ninth lay, explain the operation of OP-AMP as non-inverting and non-investing amplifier. B, in a p-type semiconductor the Fermi level is 0.76 electrovolts above the valency band at room temperature 200 degree kelvins. Determine the new position of the Fermi level when the temperature in 430 degrees and 600 degrees. 10th, obtain the expressions for efficiency of full wave rectifier with relevant wave form and circuit. B. Describe the operation of full bridge rectifier. What is its output current when RMS input voltage is 200 volts AC and RL is equal 150 ohms. 11. Describe the working of simple GNR voltage regulator. B. Describe the PNP transistor in a common base configuration. How the transistor is used as a amplifier. Unit 3. Implement the following using only NAND gates. G is equal to A plus B, C dot D plus E. Implement of the function f is equal to following 4 level forms: NAND dash AND, AND and dash NOR, OR dash NAND, D NOR dash over R. F ABCD is equal 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 3 5 8 9 12. జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి ఇది. నెక్స్ట్ 13th లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజింగ్ NOR గేట్స్. F is equal to A dot బ్రాకెట్లో B plus C dot D plus B dot C. Given the 8-bit data word 0101111, generate 12-bit composite word of following Hamming code. The correct and detect the single errors. Thank you.